Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. Today we have another unboxing, and it's always lovely when we get days like this where we get new exciting projects for diamond painting. Now, before we get into this package, this was very kindly funded by a company called Buy Subscriptions, one of their magazines that I have signed up to. Part of the package was we get a £10 Amazon gift voucher as a free gift, and that came yesterday. And I thought I'd buy it on another painting. So in here we've got a painting that I've been wanting to do for nearly a year, but it just hasn't fell into the price that I'm comfortable with. And yesterday when I had a look, it was the price that I'm happy with £5. I've recently made a decision to only spend £5 on paintings moving forward, unless they're really, really good, then I will probably make a slight exception. But in here, I can tell you that it's lion related. But in here, oh yes, it's one of them flat ones again. Yeah, baby, I love it when they do flat ones. So already, can you guess what it is? Any guesses? We've got a lion cub, but can you guess if I turn it over? Look, oh my god, I can already see it looks pretty good. Interesting. I'll go into something in a minute. I've just noticed something. So where's the thing here? What we'll do is we'll make a slight incision. Okay, so in here we'll take a look at the picture afterwards, but in here we have our, oh gosh, this is oh right, okay, so we've got a random pen without that's not included in with the packaging. Interesting. We've got a drill on the loose. There's drills. Okay. I'll have to check these because I can see there's like various drills coming out. We'll check that in a minute. But let's take a look at the painting. I have wanted this for so long, and look at that. So what we've got here is the lion, and it's got obviously 3 cubs here. And what I'm noticing straight away is the symbols look very clear. It's a 30x40. You do have 24 colours in this. And then down here, it's sort of like a rock. It looks like they're sitting on a rock. But what I'm quite concerned about is this little section running down here. So it's basically this part here. Can you see it's like a bit of a mane, but it's got like that sort of like ghost appearance, like as if there's like a ghost behind him. I'm not entirely sure what that is. I'm thinking that this has got a bit of a print code problem maybe. But let me know in the comments below. I'm still going to do it because, as I said, we won't know the full reaction until afterwards. If you look up at the thumbnail here, it's still got that bit of ghost effect behind it. So whether they had a print code problem, I don't know. But that's what it looks like. We've got 24 colours. Obviously your standard boat as well with a bit of wax, a little bit of baggies. They've actually put 2 more further waxes down there. I don't know if you can see it, but they're just sitting there. And then a pen, and we also had a random pen as well. So I'll put that to one side. I want to check the colours. So we've got 24 colours here. So let me just have a look at that, because I want to check, because these seem to be like all over the place. So, right, okay. I thought that was cut, so that's okay. So we've got 19, 20, bit of brown, 21's yellow, 22, sort of like a purpley brown, 23 and 24. So I'm looking to see if there's any tampered with this, because we did have some jewels on the loose there, so they all look pretty good. Let's take a look. What colour is this? Okay, so let's go back from that side. So on this side we've got, this is number 1, so a bit of pink with 2, 3 is a little bit of peach, 4 probably black, and again with 4. Sometimes if it's quite a large colour they'll do 2 packs. Again 5 is 2 packs, 6 is 1 pack, so bits of grey there. 7, again a purpley brown sort of colour. 8 probably slate grey. 9 bits of yellow and peachy sort of colour, so really, really lovely. Oh, that's nice. That pink one's gorgeous. And the 13, I work with this sort of colour a lot. Normally you'll find that colour on the colour M310. But yeah, they've changed that to 13. We can have a look actually. 14, sort of like a Brute colour if you buy the Brute Christmas spray. 15 Yuletide, a sort of army green there. 16 right the way up to 18. So it looks like they've got all the colours. What I will just have a look at is, I want to have a look, is M. Okay, so this is interesting. It doesn't have an M. So what colour was that? That was 13. So this is B in this case. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm still going to do it. Obviously, I'm not entirely sure what the background is supposed to be. Because as you can see, we've got like blues and sort of like... I really am not liking this background behind it. I'm not entirely sure what that's supposed to be. Unless it's supposed to be like Mufasa in Lion King, where it's a ghost behind him. I'm quite concerned as to what that is. If need be, I will go over it and put my own colours in with a green. And then obviously we've got bits down here. But down here looks like they're sitting on a rock. As I said, I'm still going to do it because it's a lovely painting. Really like the... Oh, we've actually got a fourth cub there, look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 baby lions with like one just round the back here. But yeah, I mean, probably once all the colours are on, you won't notice it. But up there, it looks a lot... I'm not entirely sure what that's supposed to be. Unless it's obviously the back colour of the mane as it's coming around the contour there. Perhaps it's the back part. But let me know in the comments. I'm still going to do it. You know, it's I didn't have to pay for it. So, because I got an Amazon gift voucher. So, yeah, why not? But yeah, I'm still going to do it. As I say, I'm a little bit concerned about this bit here, but we'll still crack on with it. It's still a painting at the end of the day. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you want to get this, I will put the link in the description below the video. But until then, that's been another unboxing. You will see this in the new year, where we're doing some lion themes, probably in January, because that's where Hobie's back. Hobie the Lion, a famous lion from Wild at Heart, one of my dearest programs that I miss dearly. And yeah, anyway, so take care guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.